It does not matter how dangerous a judge thinks you are. That's the fundamental absurdity with the Safety Act.
McHenry County's top prosecutor is sounding off about the controversial act ending cash bail that took effect just last week. Thank you for joining us at 9. I'm Dawn Hasbrook.
And I'm Anthony Ponce in tonight for Scott. Supporters of the Safety Act say it's a critical step toward equity, but Casey Crone has talked to a Northwest Suburban official who calls it a total failure. Casey.
Dawn and Anthony, Illinois is now the only state in the nation to eliminate cash bail. And that official we spoke with says in his opinion, he believes the Safety Act is a far cry from being safe and gave us some examples in his own county. In a lengthy Facebook post, McHenry County State's Attorney Patrick Canale is blasting the Safety Act.
It arbitrarily groups different types of offenses into detainable offenses versus non-detainable offenses.
Just this week, he says 38-year-old Nicholas Kozor was released. He's been in jail since last October, awaiting trial, accused of calling his ex-girlfriend, saying he was coming to her home and that he knew how to dismember a body. He then allegedly, quote, struck one officer and bit and grabbed the genitals of another. They were officers that were responding to the victim's call for help.
It's terrifying. And if you put yourself in this person's shoes, or you put yourself in the shoes of witnesses who are scared to come forward, or victims who are also scared to come forward, I mean, that is not a comfort.
In this case, the suspect was unable to post bail, but got out after filing a petition under the new law. Those who support it feel the justice system shouldn't be based on money, saying it's wrong to keep people in jail simply because they can't afford bail. But Canale argues that's not the case.
We were locking up people who were a danger. And in fact, judges had to consider when setting monetary bail, the person's ability to pay, as well as ensure that the bond was not oppressive.
Canale's second example was that of a 27-year-old with a criminal record who was released after being caught arranging the sale of counterfeit pills, which were tied to overdose deaths in the county. Reporting live downtown, Casey Crone, Fox 32, Chicago.